Hi everyone, this is my home screen. From here, we can create new scene or open a scene, open a recent scene, show home screen or hide it when start up, or simply go to Maya. To create an object, open the poly modeling shelf. Create one of 7 primitives here. Click here. On the left of Maya, click the icon to activate the mover tool. Or press W key to activate it. Drag in the transform manipulator to move selected object. Click here to select other object. Drag in here. We can draw with the mouse button to zoom in the scene to get a better view. Holding Alt and dragging left mouse to tumble camera. Pan by holding Alt and middle dragging. And dolly by holding Alt and right dragging. Or you can go to View, Camera Tools, select many features here. We can reset the camera view by Alt G or Y. Press Home key to restore the camera view to default view. We can use View Queue to change the view. Total, we have 26 standard views. Are available. We can back to default view by click here or click on this icon. Look at the toolbox. You can see the list to use. Select this icon to select tool. You can select the object here in outliner. If you can see this outliner, you can show or hide outliner here. You also can select the object in the viewport. Changing the attribute of selected object by channel box. You can change this attribute in either channel box or attribute editor. Depending tab you select, you can change the attribute here or type the number here. Select this tab. We can see the transform attribute here. Example, cancellate E000. I can change it by select the move tool. When I move it, yes, you can see the translate attribute view change. Select the rotate tool, drag in here. Scale tool. Next, click here to open modeling toolkit. You can add or remove the complexity from an object by Use the tool in modeling toolkit or using the poly modeling cell to change an object shape. You need to change from object mode to component mode. In this mode, you can notice that the object turns to blue. Open channel box to change the object shape. Click right mouse and choose Add to select as. You can select the Add and select Move to right or select the vertex. Select a vertex and change it. Select the face to select the face of object, or you can select the multi. You can even hold shift and click multiple components and change shape of it all at once. Or you can drag in your mouse to select multiple components. We can change to object mode to transform the whole object. The object will turn green. And then you can go back to component mode to change its shape again. We need to save our work by going to File, Save as Scene. Type the file name and click Save As. Thank you for watching.